Now we will read another concept, that is, have you seen this? This is apostrophe S and this is also an apostrophe S. Where this S is used, we are going to use in plural sentences. In plural, we are already having S in the last. Okay, so as I will take an example, jeans, trouser. We never write it's jeans. Okay, trouser. So these are the sentences that are already having S in the last. So how we have to write this? As I am writing this apostrophe S, this is my brother's pen. ये तो किसका पेन है? मेरे ब्रदर का पेन है. अगर मुझे लिखना हो ये मेरे भाइयों का पेन है, हाउ आई विल राइट? ब्रदर्स पेन. Okay, this sentence is plural sentence when we are having more than one person. Okay, now we will read about another concept, that is called contraction. What is contraction? It is a shortened form of words. An apostrophe replaces the letter removed in contraction. Let me clear about this with the help of some examples. See, words, that means what is. What is. I will. Okay, I have. Next, are not. Aren't. Okay, I am. I am. So many are there. We will read from here in this worksheet 1. Here, Tom, what's the matter? This is what is. Tom moaned out, oh don't. That means do not. Another is do not. Don't. Okay. It's awful. It's. Clear? How long have you been this way? Oh, don't sit. Do not. I am dying, said Tom. No, Tom. You aren't. dying. You are right. You are all right. Aren't means aren't. Clear? Now we will do next worksheet. We plus R, we are. What is the missing letter? इसमें हमने क्या छोड़ दिया? A. That will crop this letter. You would. This will letter we will this is the letter we will leave. Cannot, can't. Does not, doesn't. Are not, aren't. Is not, isn't. Okay? Now from this paragraph we have to find out these words and we have to write like this. Caterpillar, our garden's furry little train. Sir Caterpillar, I would say please explain. I would. Okay, in the short form it will come like this. Next, I have been told that by and by you will turn into a butterfly. I have. See, we have to write like this. You will. How you will write this? You will. See. You will. You. Okay. Next. Instead of moving like a train, you will fly and flutter like a plane. I have wished for wings, but I don't know. How we will write don't know? D-O-N and then apostrophe T. Next, if you would show me how to do it, you would. Then, I bet there would be nothing to do. There would. There and then D. This will be cut off. Okay. Now move to another. This you have to do it yourself. How you have to do this? This is a golden chance to be a teacher. Correct and rewrite the sentence. You have to rewrite the sentence. The men's shirt were like rainbows. The men's shirt. Okay. अनन्या डांस वॉज डिलाइटफुल. अनन्या का डांस बहुत डिलाइटफुल था. अनन्याज. ओके. सो लाइक दिस यू हैव टू कंप्लीट दिस exercise. This you have to do it yourself. This is your homework. Okay. And this in this also you have to fill these words, these apostrophe words. Now finished.